you suck your mother pussy.
Let me tell you something big stinking.
My blood clot, but you will pussy. Me say the whole I come jump on Ivany. I mean, not even about una Ivany, no low blood clot eyes.
Hold on.
Not your blood clot. Yes.
Let me say for our number this. Can I send our number to my other phone? Watch me on our blood clot. Big stinking, dirty, nasty, old face, blood clot, gingivitis, blood clot. Oh man, we want your pussy a sore out no blood clot. Let me tell you something. You and I, sir Ivany, come turn me back way and juice up my blood clot back to all when you have juice, orange juice. A big stinking, dirty woman live a blood clot New York. Me say me I go find you. And when me find you, you lose your apartment and your house. Yeah. Okay, so when me track them the number there, me I find the apartment number, me I find the work number. You and Ivany, your eyes come kiss up my blood clot and juice up my blood clot. But all there juice, pine juice, dirty, nasty, stinking, big, dirty, stretch out woman. Move your dirty, nasty blood clot. Ivany walk around, bring up your pitney. Go tell Ivany for make ice blood clot walk. From me a 7 months, me a walk big stinking dirty girl. Watch me and your blood clot. I got a report of a crime, dirty bitch. Fucking bright. Let me tell her our number now. 1 + 1 347 680 0298. Don't pin it. +1 347 680 0298. See the woman there, the dirty woman. Get track her number. Somebody track her number. Send me her details, please. She too out harder. Me no say I sit me sick me have cold, you know. I know me I feel look better. Me have cold. I me see the woman I call on my phone. Me lie down in my bed. When me like lock off. I see the woman I call on my phone. So me I wonder who I call on my phone. So me text somebody and me say, yeah, type in a cash app.
Calling my phone, so.
Me say I'm gonna block you because I'm fucking busy and me keep calling my phone. This dirty woman come text me. Ivany no walk and bring no poor pitney.
As me see her pitney for dead 100 times. The for dead man for slice off her neck man for fuck her down in the deepest. Not even 6 feet deep. She forgot 10 feet deep. More when somebody a kill him then video him a suck off your beep. Yes, screen a card that and post it and that me say. And I pray.
You talk about every blood clot you have a diamond? You talk about every blood clot there. Do you have a diamond? You're broke. So come on for the blood clot live. Dirty girl, shut your mouth. You're broke. You don't have no money. You're hungry. So leave. Leave. I'm going to talk about every blood clot there. Maybe because some stinking mouth, girl. You see me by some top some roses. Dead dog. Ivany walk and bring no people blood clot pitney. So anything you put out there, you must can take. If you tell a man to so suck your mother, stop typing number now. If you type your number again, block. If you tell a man to suck their mother, and a man tell you to suck their mother, you're supposed to take that blood clot there. You never did blood clot was the people are going to bring them back your kids. When you walk and bring them up in here, you're pregnant. You blood clot a breed. And you walk and say those things about people's child. What do you think people are going to say about your child? They're going to say the same thing. Sure, me know what me say. Father God. Moderator, anybody typing number, block them. Hey, come like they not here say, they need to stop typing number. Come like them there. They're not getting out. Go call on our blood clot. Anything a blood clot put out there you must can take. You walk and bring down people pitney. So if they want to bring them back your child, you must not feel hurt. The last time I check, you sent me a voice message and you said to me in my DM, say Destiny. I want it. Probably pitney me bring down, say if they want. Bring down my one, I'm supposed to bring it down. So why you hurt now? Come on for this. I can hear me say a black, move. Me have a voice note. In another phone here, show me camera to go up on it. Me have it. You don't put in the worst. If they want to back fear put in the worst, I'm supposed to do it. Stop. Type the fucking number. Else I'm gonna block you, motherfucker. Are you deaf? Are you dumb? But look how long this argument are done. This a dirty pussy woman here go come in at me DM. Alright. Block. Because one thing I know in the TikTok cannot ban my page. I have a TikTok manager, okay? Period. And you bitches know that. Sexy or thanks, baby. You have to work, moderator. I say if you mute them blood clot and block them. If you work, yeah?